Okay, so what we are doing right now is we are basically creating and adding watermark into our graphics, right? So here you can see the image. Let me add some text, and here you can see I added one of the particular heading. Let me see if we have Inter here. Inter is one of the font I wish to use, right? So this is the font. As you can see, this is here. Can increase its length to 72, right? Now what I can do, I can simply keep it at center, right? And then here you have a bunch of other options just in case you want to improve on that, right? Now in the share I can simply download it as transparent background, right? So I will download, right? Now if we go and open this, you can see only text should appear, and this is the text, right? I can also save this, and let's say all changes are saved, and here you can see everything is saved, and we will find it in projects. So let me refresh, and here you see it appears there, right? This is our project. Also alternatively we can upload that image, right? Now let's say I close this and create another social media post where we have this particular design, right? Now I want to upload image, right? So I added this and set as background. Now here I want to use that particular image as watermark, right? So what I can do, can upload that particular file, and here you see that file is here, and I can add it into this particular image, right? And if I want to use that as over here, it looks better, right? I can even expand this, and then you can set its opacity, right? So around 40 it should be decently visible, right? So we added our watermark, right? So we created this purely out of text, but if you want to create something like logo and then add it into your new image, you can do so. Make sure to save that particular logo with transparent background while downloading that. Then once you download, you can again upload here and drop it into your workflow. So when you download this particular image, it will be available as your image with this particular watermark, right? So if I go back here and check, here you see our watermark is added, right? So our flow was first create the watermark with your own logo as normal. Make sure that it has no background color and it is in transparent background. Once you do that, you can import that back in any project, and then make sure to use it in the place where you are supposed to, right? So this was our adding and creating watermark in Canva.